So it's the under 20 edition now for the 4x200 meters. Unlike previous races though, this is a final. So we have clubs competing for the men as well as one team for the women. So this is a final for the 4x200 meters for the under 20 age group, both male and female. So we have the ARC for females, as well as the representatives from the Detroit Varsity Plaza and Gifted Northern Central for the men. And leading the men's race at the moment is Gifted North, just out from Edinburgh, who's now charging forward. And Edinburgh look like they'll be the first to exchange not the smoothest series of handovers from the clubs involved in this race, but they do eventually manage.